We've all seen this kind of presentation. White background, Times New Roman, words of text, zero visual appeal. It's the kind of deck that makes people check their phones. Hi guys, welcome to my new video. Today I'm going to feed this presentation to Claude AI and see what happens. Plus, I'll show you how to create a pitch deck from scratch and how to turn long deck into a 3-slide executive summary. Let's go. First of all, to install Claude, you click into the add-in section if you don't have it already. Then you go to more add-ins and you look for Claude Code. So waiting for the store to load. Okay, so Claude Code. So we have it here and let's go add if you don't have it already. And me, I already have it, so I open it and then I can type my prompt if I want. So here it's what we are working with, quarterly business review, and it's rough. Every slide is just a block of text on a white background. No chart, no visual, no redesign whatsoever. So the font is still Times New Roman, the color black and gray, and some slides have entire paragraph. Let's drag this into Claude and ask for a complete redesign. My prompt is redesign this presentation completely, use a modern professional design with a cohesive color palette, reduce the text to clear the bullet points, add charts for the financial data, make it visually impactful. Okay, it's done now. We are going to see what it has done. So we have here a sum up. So Claude explained everything he did, all of, let's say, the journey, and now let's check what he did. So we have everything which has been redesigned. But for example, we can see there is some issues. So for this, we will ask it to redesign it, or we can do the modification ourselves. So now, for example, here we have the metrics, and then we will have also some charts. So it's visually more appealing. So here another chart we can see for friends. It's not that good because we need to improve this. So it's not perfect, but it's better than what we had before. So let's check the rest also. Marketing campaign, so everything is fine. Everything looks good, customer satisfaction, project roadmap. So we have everything we ask. So in the end, we just need to put a little bit more effort to refine or ask for some redesign to Claude, but we have saved several minutes instead of spending hours and hours doing everything. Now let's try something different. Instead of fixing an existing file, let's create a presentation from absolutely nothing. Let's say you are a startup founder and you need a pitch deck for investors. You don't have a designer, you don't have a template, you just have your key numbers. Here is my prompt. Create an 8-slide pitch deck for a SaaS startup called FlowMind, an AI-powered project management tool. We have 500 customers, $1.2 million in ARR, and we are raising $3 million seed round. Modern, elegant design with realistic data. Let's go. Okay, now let's check the results. So we still have the sum up from Claude here. Let's check from the first slide from mine. So it's in French because I asked it in French. The issue, we have the slide we asked, solution. So it seems that we really have a pitch deck with all of the metrics, the economic model, the team. So it also created a real pitch deck from what we ask and created a little bit more information. So at least we have some basis. So you just have to change it manually, or you can prompt it with more information you have if you want to redesign or if you want to move some information, add some information or delete some information. So in the end, it's really, really good. Now let's switch to our last use case. So we are back to our previous slide, and we need to do for our CEO a 3-slide summary for the board meeting. So we need to reduce this slide, I will ask Claude, take this presentation and create a 3-slide executive summary, including the key financial, the wins from this quarter, and the Q4 priorities. Keep it clean, premium, design for a board of directors. Let's go. Okay, Claude is done now. So he added the slide at the end. We can see that he created 3 slides as we asked. We have the main figures. So it's for the board of director with the figures we asked, some sum up about what happened during the quarter, and then the priority for the next quarter. And we can see that if we check, it will be the same everywhere. So basically, he did everything we asked, and we saved a lot of time. Quick tips before we go. Number 1, describe the style you want. Words like modern, corporate, startup, minimalist all trigger different design approaches. So you need to be really careful with the words you are using so it can be the more accurate as possible. Number 2, mention your audience. A deck for investors looks different from another one for your internal team. Number 3, iterate slide by slide. If you like the overall deck but one slide feels off, just ask Claude to redo that specific slide. That's all. So you can do it slide by slide, and then you will have the result you really want. And number 4, combine with your data. Upload an Excel file along with your brief, and Claude will put real number into the chart. So you have the CTA here, so you can do it. We did that in my previous video on Excel with Claude. So you can check this video or you can do it again here. The system is the same. That's it for me. So we transformed an ugly deck into a professional one, created a pitch deck from scratch, and built an executive summary. We saved a lot of time, so for this it will have took us several hours and we did it in a few minutes. So if you found this useful, don't hesitate to put a like. If you have any question, any comments, any remark, put them in the comment and don't forget to subscribe. I wish you a great day. Bye bye.